Now that you have your account on BridgeRI and you're ready to get started with online learning, we recommend starting with our course catalog for the easiest way to find a course that meets your needs. On the mtssri.org homepage, go to the Professional Learning tab across the top, drop down the menu, and hover over Course Catalog. Click this Course Catalog option, and there you'll find a little bit of information about the catalog and a link toward the bottom of the page. Clicking that link will open the course catalog in a new window. Our course offerings are organized by tiers of support and other defining features as seen by the table of contents on page 2. Clicking the course name in blue will bring you to the section with more information about that course. You'll see the course name, description, the audience for whom the course was designed, the course type, and recommended number of PLUs. The number of PLUs roughly translate to the approximate amount of time in hours this course will take most learners to complete. If you're interested in enrolling, click here. You must be logged in to access the enrollment page. If not, the window will prompt you when you click the link to enroll, create an account, or to sign in. If a course is coming soon, you won't be able to enroll just yet, but check back for enrollment details at a later date. In order to enroll, click Enroll Me, and you're now enrolled in the course. Welcome. If a course is requiring an access key, an enrollment key, or requires you permission, you can contact the course contact here to get that information. In addition to the course catalog, to enroll in a course, you can search for and enroll in courses from our course list page. Come back to the Professional Learning tab, scroll down to enroll in a course. You can here expand all or go tier by tier. If I click the expand all option and drop down, you'll see a list of all of our courses. If you find a title that you would like to explore more, come across and click the I to read more about the course, the overview, the audience, the type, and the PLUs. Here, you can contact the facilitator or you can enroll in a course. We don't anticipate that you'll finish a course in one sitting. So how do you get back to a course after you've logged in and enrolled? You can scroll up to the top, click this left-hand side navigation bar, and go to My Courses. Underneath this tab, you will see all of the courses that you are enrolled in. If you have any questions, you can always email or contact the help desk and we will help you walk through it.